How many nights have I spent at 3 a.m. watching slime videos on the internet? Too many, and maybe an embarrassing amount. I mean, I think that half of the views on all of those videos are me watching them. Hi everybody, I'm ALB, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own glitter slime. I love watching slime videos. They're mesmerizing and relaxing to watch, but more importantly, they're fun to make, and it's really not that hard. You can make your own. Here's what you're going to need today. Some food coloring, glitter in color of your choice, an airtight container, contact lens solution, baking soda, 2 cups of clear school glue, a mixing spoon, and 3 glass bowls. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take our big mixing bowl, mixing spoon, and pour all of the 2 cups of school glue right into the bowl. Once I've got all the glue in my bowl, I'm gonna take just a dash of baking soda. You're gonna need about anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 of a bottle of contact solution. In general, there isn't an exact measurement for how much contact solution to how much glue. What I like to do is take 3 to 4 drops of contact solution, add it to my mixture, mix it in really well, and just keep doing that until it's the consistency you want. Slime is sticky, but it doesn't stick to your fingers. Like, you can peel it off your fingers. If it's got too much contact lens solution, it's not gonna be sticky at all, and it's actually gonna snap in half. It's not very fun to play with at all. So I'm just gonna add a little more contact solution, a couple more drops. So once your slime is the right consistency, now I'm gonna add some food coloring and sparkles. I just use regular old food coloring for this, and a couple dots. Now the thing about slime when you use clear glue, it's gonna turn white like this. It's not gonna stay white. It's just because of all the bubbles from mixing it together. When you let the slime settle in a container, all the bubbles will rise to the top and it'll be clear slime. I love this color. Mixing it really well. And I'm also going to add some sparkles. Let's put a whole bunch of gold in there. If you're not into sparkles, you can just add food coloring and be done with it, but why not add sparkles? And when you're really happy with it, you can go ahead and add it to a container. Now, I have these regular old airtight containers, but they weren't quite special enough, especially if you want to give slime as a gift to someone special. What I like to do is customize. What I did with these containers is just tape off the bottom with painter's tape and take the lid off. And then I spray painted the bottom and the lid with this really nice metallic gold color. And I don't know, it just like looks so much more special than something like this. I'll add some slime. Ooh. I feel a bit like a mad scientist doing this. It looks very delicious. Don't eat it though. There we go. And I'm just gonna put the lid on this. That looks so cute. It's such a nice way to store your slime or to give it as a gift because it just makes it look all the more special and unique. And you can make these in lots of different colors and variations with different sparkles and food coloring. I've made a whole bunch of these. So why not give it a try? Make your own slime and possibly give it as a gift too to someone you really like. For the full tutorial list, head on over to cbc.ca/life. See you soon.